Okay, so I wanted to talk a little bit about a scam that's going around. It's been around for a while, but it's affecting fellow crafters like you and I. So by the way, my name is Rich and this is Light Street Creations. So the way the scam works is they create a fake Facebook account and then they will reach out to you and then see if one of your items is for sale and try to purchase that item from you. So what they do is they ask you to ship it to them and they will pay you through Venmo. Now, somehow they get your email address and this is where the scam starts. They, instead of paying you the agreed price through Venmo, they send you this email saying that um, the the money is on hold because they sent it via business account and there needs to be a minimum of $500 transferred for the money to come off of hold. So you think that it's in limbo. You think that the money's in limbo. So you start working out, hey, what can I do to get this money that's owed to me because I want to send out the product? And basically what they do is they say, hey, we'll wire you the $500 if you promise to send us the $500 back. What happens is they never send you the $500. You send them the $500 back. You're out $500. They ghost you, and that's where the scam is. So, just explaining that in a nutshell, don't get scammed. If you see a Facebook account pop up and it looks like it's a little fishy, it looks like they only have 4 friends, their nickname is in a foreign language or something like that, don't go for it. Don't go for the scam. Just be very diligent in how you sell and what you sell and who you sell to. But stick to your Facebook Marketplace or your Etsy or your eBay or whatever you sell on, whatever platform you sell on, if it's Instagram or whatever. But be very leery about somebody reaching out to you and their Facebook account looks like it's fake. So that is it. I just wanted to put it out there because I haven't gotten scammed, but I've been getting a lot of people reaching out to me with the fake Facebook accounts. That's hard to say. Fake Facebook accounts. I've had people reach out to me a couple of times in the past month or so, and it's this scam that's going around. So that is it. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. And how do I turn this thing off?